You're not going to believe how fast this niche is blowing up right now. There are pages like Viral Meows that have already grown to 230,000 followers by posting nothing but animal haircut videos, and their content is consistently pulling in millions of views. The best part? The concept is incredibly simple. It's just a cat or a person giving different animals and birds a fresh haircut. That's the whole idea, and people absolutely love it. Before I walk you through exactly how to make these videos, here's one I put together myself in just 2 minutes, so you can see what the final result actually looks like. All right, let's get into it. First, open up ChatGPT and look for the Explore GPTs option in the left sidebar. Click on it, search for Animal Haircut Generator, open it up, hit Start Chat, and then click Generate. It's going to ask you for an animal and a hairstyle. For this tutorial, I went with a horse and a mullet, but honestly, you can get creative here. Once you submit, it will generate 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. Copy that first image prompt and head over to Flow AI. Now, I know a lot of YouTube gurus out there are pointing people towards Seedance for this kind of content, but Seedance is a paid tool. Flow AI gives you free credits just for signing up with a new Gmail account, so we're keeping this completely free. Inside Flow AI, click on Image, choose the Nanobana 2 model, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, paste in your prompt, and hit Generate. Then go back and do the exact same thing with your second image. Once you have both images ready, head back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt this. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt into the video generator, assign your first and in-frame images. Select the VO3 Fast model. Make sure the ratio is still 9:16 and hit Generate. And just like that, your video is done and ready to post. That is the complete workflow from start to finish. I've linked everything you need down in the description. If you want more tutorials like this where I break down the best AI content niches and exactly how to create them, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss one.